नमस्ते बच्चों, कैसे हो आप लोग? ऑल आर हैप्पी, सेफ इन हाउस, स्टडिंग वेल, डूइंग योर होमवर्क प्रॉपर? गुड. So before starting our class, what we will do? We will learn some Hindi speaking sentence. Last classes I taught you about what, why, this all questions, what and how to say in Hindi. Today we will see some this and that, how to use in Hindi. This and that word, how to use in Hindi. Okay, this means yah, that means wah. Yah means things are very close to you, you can touch, you can see. Wah means you can see the things but you cannot touch, and without movement you cannot touch the thing. That will come in wah. यह वह. We will see some example here. यह पुस्तक है. This is a book. This is a book. This means यह. पुस्तक means book. Is means है. This is a book. वह मेज है. That is a table. Table means मेज. वह टेबल है. That is a table. यह एक बस्ता है. दिस इज अ बैग. वह पौधा है. दैट इज अ प्लांट. यह फ्रॉक मेरी है. दिस फ्रॉक इज माइन. वह अलमारी है. दैट इज एन अलमीरा. यह मोर है. दिस इज अ पीकॉक. वह मेढक है. दैट इज अ फ्रॉग. So now you understand how to use this and that. Is means है. Okay, this means यह, and वह means that. So with this sentence we have learned some new word also, like पुस्तक, book, बस्ता, bag, frog, मोर, peacock, मेज, टेबल, पौधा, प्लांट, अलमारी, अलमीरा, मेढक, frog. Okay, so some new lesson we have learned, and we have seen here how yah and wah we can use in a small sentence. Okay, now we will start our class. We will start our new lesson, lesson 11. चावल की रोटियां. Okay, चावल की रोटियां. चावल मीन्स राइस. रोटियां मीन्स ब्रेड, चपाती. ओके, चपाती, पराठा, रोटियां all are somewhere same. Okay, paratha means oil we are putting, and rotiya means it will be dry, direct chapati maav you are putting on tawa, and we will make a roti like a fulka. Okay, same thing like a godhum maav we are making the roti. With rice flour also we can make a roti. Okay, so this lesson name is चावल की रोटियां. Okay, this is a drama, like a school skit will be there, na? Some children will be, there is a topic on that they will do the acting. Okay, so this is like a drama skit. In that, how many people is there, how many people are doing acting, we will know. First, Coco. There is a boy, his name is Coco. What is the name? Coco. Coco, who is this? 8 साल का एक बर्मी लड़का, कुछ मोटा, with Burma country. Okay, Burma, now it is known as a Myanmar. Okay, Myanmar, old name is Burma. From that country he is the boy, little healthy. Okay, little healthy. A 8-year-old boy is there. His name is Coco. One more boy is there. Okay, his name is Nini. What is the name? Nini. 9 साल का बर्मी लड़का, कोको का दोस्त. So who is Nini? Nini is Coco friend, and he is a 9-year-old. Same, he is living in neighborhood. Tinsu, third boy. 8 साल का बर्मी लड़का, कोको का दोस्त. Okay, Tinsu, there is a boy, he is also 8 year and Coco friend. Mimi, Mimi 7 साल की बर्मी लड़की, कोको की दोस्त. Mimi, there is a girl, Mimi is a girl and she is 7-year-old and she is also Coco friend. Ubatun, Ubatun, Ubatun is a man and he is working in a shop. Okay, or you can say he is a shop manager. There is a shop manager, his name is Ubatun. Okay, and he is a tall man. How a normal man will be there, a normal man, he is like that. So this story, this skit, there are 5 characters. Main character is Coco. He is a 8-year boy. Burmi ladka means Burma country. He is a boy. Nini and Tinsu. 2 more boys there. Nini is 9-year and Tinsu is 8-year. This both Ninu and Tinsu is Coco friend. Mimi. Mimi is a 7-year-old girl. She is also Coco friend and Ubatun is a shop manager. So these people is only playing this skit. We will know what is चावल की रोटियां and that skit topic is चावल की रोटियां. एक सादा कमरा, दीवारों पर बांस की चटाइयाँ, एक दीवार के सहारे रखी अलमारी, अलमारी के ऊपर एक रेडियो, चाय की केतली, कुछ कप और खाली गुलाबी फूलदान रखा है. कमरे के बीच फर्श पर एक चटाई बिछी है जिसके ऊपर कम ऊंचाई वाली गोल मेज रखी है. 2 दरवाजे, एक दरवाज़ा पीछे की ओर खुलता है और दूसरा एक किनारे की ओर. पंछियों के चहचहाने की आवाज़ के साथ पर्दा उठता है. ओके, कहीं प्रार्थना की घंटियाँ, कहीं कुत्ता भौंकता है, like this. So what they are saying, as I told, this is a skit. So if you are going to see any drama, any skit, so first what picture will come in a hall? So on the display board, what picture will come? There is a plain room, empty room is there, and some bamboo mat is hanging like a curtain. Instead of curtain, a bamboo mat is hanging. Okay, there is a almirah or cupboard, you can say, in that room, and on that cupboard, on top of the cupboard, there is a radio and tea kettle and some cup is there. Okay, and there is a flower vase, okay, or you can say flower pot, it is there. In that, the pink color flower vase is there. कमरे के बीच फर्श पर एक चटाई, and in that room there is a mat on the floor. Okay, in that a small round table is there. Okay, there are 2 doors, one is opening back side and one in the corner. So when they are starting the drama, they are trying to show this is a early morning time. So early morning, what will happen? Early morning, what will happen? Birds will twitter, dogs will bark, and some houses prayer will be there, bell will ring. Okay, like this only, na, bell ringing noise will be there. Like this only they are starting the morning, it will be, na. Now Coco is entering. He is acting like he is coming in the room early morning. Just he is yawning, he is keeping his body straight and coming. Coco, माता पिता धान लगाने खेतों में चले गए हैं. जब तक माँ खाना बनाने के लिए लौट कर नहीं आती, मुझे घर की देखभाल करनी है. देखता हूँ माँ ने नाश्ते के लिए क्या बना कर रखा है. So there is a boy, Coco, na, he is acting like that. Morning is there and just he has get up. and that time in his house his parents has gone to paddy field. Okay, paddy field they have gone, and he is saying, okay, till my mummy is not returning to house, I have to take care my house. Okay, let me see what my mummy has prepared breakfast for me. He is acting like that. Okay, वह अलमारी की तरफ जाता है और उसे खोल कर देखता है। एक तस्तरी निकाल कर देखता है, चावल की 4 रोटियां हैं। वह होठों पर जीभ फेरता है और मुस्कुराता है। आहा, मज़ा आ गया, चावल की रोटियां मेरी मनपसंद चीज़। वह पेट मलता हुआ रोटियों को मेज पर रखता है और बैठ जाता है। आज तो डटकर नाश्ता होगा। वह एक रोटी उठाकर मुंह में डालने लगता है। तभी कोई दरवाजे पर दस्तक देता है। ओके, सो दैट कोको he is going near the cupboard and he checking what my mummy has prepared food today for me, what breakfast she has prepared. So when he is opening the cupboard, he has seen there are 4 rice flour roti is there. So he is acting like this, wow, it's yummy and this is my favorite food. Okay, wow, mummy has prepared a very good food. Today I am going to enjoy my breakfast. And he is bringing his roti and sitting on the dining table, and just he is breaking the roti and he is trying to put in his mouth. Then what happened? Nini is coming. कोको, ए कोको, दरवाज़ा खोलो, मैं हूँ नीनी। कोको, गजब हो गया, यह तो भुक्खड़ नीनी है। उसकी नज़र में रोटियां पड़ी तो ज़रूर मांगेगा, मैं इन्हें छिपा देता हूँ। सो दिस 8-year boy ना कोको, someone is coming on door. Who is that? Nini. He is knocking the door and he is saying, open the door, Coco, open the door, I am Nini. So what Coco is thinking, this boy na always he will be hungry. Open the door, Coco, open the door, I am Nini. So what Coco is thinking, this boy na always he will be hungry. If he will see my roti, what will happen? Definitely he will eat my chapati. So better let me hide first, then I will open the door. नीनी, दरवाज़ा खोलो कोको, तुम क्या कर रहे हो? इतनी देर लगा दी, मैं इन्हें कहाँ छुपाऊँ? रेडियो की तरफ देखता है, मैं तस्तरी को रेडियो के पीछे छुपा दूंगा। ओके, सो व्हेन नीनी इज सेइंग, open the door Coco, where are you? Why you are taking too much time? And Coco is planning where I will hide my rotis, where I will hide my chapati. Okay, let me hide it behind the transistor, behind the radio. And he is giving voice also, wait, I am coming, wait, I am coming. Okay, then he is saying, then now he is opening the door. नीनी, दरवाज़ा खोलने में इतनी देर क्यों लगाई? Why you have taken too much time to open the door? कोको, कुछ खास नहीं, मैंने अभी नाश्ता किया और मुंह धोने लगा था। बोलो, सुबह सुबह कैसे आना हुआ? Okay, so Nini is saying nothing special, just I have finished my breakfast and I was washing my face. Okay, tell me why, what is special to come so early? Okay, Nini, what he is saying? यह मत कहना कि तुम भूल गए थे, परीक्षा के बारे में रेडियो पर खास सूचना आने वाली है। नीनी इज सेइंग, क्या? डोंट से यू हैव फॉरगेट टुडे अबाउट आवर एग्जाम, सम न्यूज़ इज कमिंग ऑन रेडियो, सो आई केम हियर। लेकिन लेकिन तुम्हारे घर भी तो रेडियो है। ओके, सो कोको इज सेइंग, इन योर हाउस आल्सो रेडियो इज देयर, ना ट्रांजिस्टर इज देयर। नीनी इज सेइंग, वह खराब है, इसलिए सोचा तुम्हारे रेडियो पर सुनूंगा, दैट इज़ नॉट वर्किंग, सो आई थॉट आई विल लिसन ऑन योर रेडियो। रेडियो उठाकर यहीं ले आओ ताकि हम आराम से लेटे लेटे सुन सकेंगे। कोको, नीनी हमारे रेडियो में कुछ खराबी है। नीनी आओ कोशिश करके देखें, मैं उठा कर ले आता हूँ। सो नीनी इज सेइंग ब्रिंग द रेडियो हियर ओनली, वी विल स्लीप नाइसली एंड वी विल listen the news. Coco is saying no, my radio also is not working. Nini is saying bring it, we will try it, bring it here, we will try. What happened, why it's not working? I will say this story in short because this is a very big lesson. Okay, so what he is saying, we will listen, bring it. Okay, here I will see what's problem. Coco is saying no, don't touch. If you touch, you will get electricity is running in that. Okay, it is not good. मैंने तो इसे छू ही लिया था भाई, खबर जरूर सुनना चाहता था, तिनसु के घर जाता हूँ. So now he is saying, okay, now I am going to Tinsu house. Are you coming? Coco is saying no, I'll not come. Okay, then Nini is going back. Now Coco is saying, wow, God save me. Okay, come. Now I'll finish my breakfast. Okay, because lot of rat is running in my stomach. Now again he is bringing his breakfast plate and sitting. And just he is sitting, what's happened? Mimi is coming. Okay, Coco, दरवाजा खोलो, मैं हूँ मिमी. Okay, now Mimi is knocking the door. Coco, बाप रे, यह तो मिमी है, उसे चावल की रोटियां मेरी ही तरह बहुत अच्छी लगती हैं और वह हमेशा भूखी होती है. Again I have to hide this. Okay, so he is saying this is Mimi always. She like this चावल रोटी ना, rice roti too much like me only. Let me hide, otherwise she will eat my all chapatis. Okay, again Mimi is saying why you have taken too much time to open. Okay, and he is searching where I should hide, and there is a flower basin on the cupboard. He is putting his rotis inside that only. Okay, again Mimi is asking why you have taken too much time to open the door. Okay, same thing he is repeating. Now only I have finished my breakfast and I was washing my face. Okay, so Mimi is saying now only I met with your parents and your mummy told she has prepared some roti for you. I thought okay, I will come and I will tell you. So Coco is saying no, I have finished all roti. Okay, I have finished all rotis. Mimi, बहुत बुरी बात है, मेरी माँ ने केले के पापड़ बनाए थे, मैंने सोचा तुम्हारे साथ बांट कर खाऊंगी, मैं 4 पापड़ भी लाई हूँ. तुम्हारी चावल की रोटियां, मोटे पापड़ दोनों बढ़िया नाश्ता रहेगा. ओके, सो मिमी इज सेइंग माय मम्मी हैज प्रिपेयर्ड सम बनाना चिप्स. आई थॉट योर राइस चपाती and my banana papad will be a good breakfast for us. Okay, I have. Okay, so Mimi is saying my mummy has prepared some banana chips. I thought your rice chapati and my banana papad will be a good breakfast for us. Okay, I have bring 4 papad, but now we have finished that. It's okay, no problem. गर्मा गर्म है और स्वादिष्ट भी. तुम्हारी भी क्या बदकिस्मती है कि तुम्हारा पेट बिल्कुल भरा हुआ है और तुम कुछ भी नहीं खा सकते. So Mimi is saying, oh my God, bad luck. Papad is so hot and already you are full. Now you have finished all those things, so you can't eat the papad. But Coco, as he told lie, he can't say. He's saying yes, my stomach is full, because he told lie na, I have finished all rotis, so he can't say I will eat. Now Mimi is asking, I am going to eat the papad. Do you have tea in your house? I will eat with tea. So Coco is saying yes, tea is there. It is on the cupboard. I'll bring for you. Okay, but Coco is feeling very hungry and Mimi is eating the papad. Now Tinsu is coming. He is knocking the door. Okay, and he is coming inside. So what's happening? Mimi is sharing some papad with Tinsu. And Tinsu is saying, Coco, you have also papad. Then before saying anything, Mimi is saying, no, he has eat all 4 chapati. His stomach is full. He can't eat anything. But Coco was very hungry, but he can't say anything because he told lie. And after that, what's happening? These two, Mimi and Tinsu, they are sitting and they are having papad and tea. That moment only, 2-3 papad they have finished. 1 papad was there. So Mimi thought, okay, this papad I will keep it for Coco. When he will be hungry, he will eat. That time, again someone is knocking the door. Now who is coming? Ubatun. Who was the Ubatun? He was the manager. Okay? He was the manager. Shop manager. He is coming and he is saying, one day your mother has come to take the flower vase. She was asking for blue color, but that time I don't have, I gave pink color. But now in my shop, blue color flower vase is there. Okay, flower vase has come. So I thought I will exchange. So where is that? I will take it. And what's happening? He is taking, he is saying, I am hungry, and Mimi is asking, you want to eat this papad? He told, okay, give. And Ubatun also, little tea and papad he is eating. But Coco is hungry. And when he is going, that flour base, he is taking with him, where that 4 rotis was inside. Coco has hide. Okay, that uncle is taking back that flour base also. So that day, Coco was very much hungry because he told lie. So, what is the moral of the story? If you will say lie, 1 lie you will say. To hide that lie, 10 more lie you have to say. Okay? 10 more lies you have to say. So, better not to hide the thing and don't say lie. Otherwise, like a Coco, you will say lie also and you will miss your thing also. He told lie, he was not able to eat papad, tea, and his roti is also gone. Okay, you also try to read the story, it's very good. Now we will go for word meaning. Chawal. Chawal means rice. Chawal means rice. R-I-C-E. Kamra. Kamra means room. R-O-O-M. Room. Chataiya. Chataiya means mat. Mats. You all know mat? On floor people will put and they will lie, or they will dry something on mat. That is chataiya. Chahchahana. Twittering. Chahchahana means twittering. Birds will do chi 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 na. That is in Hindi we will say chahchahana. Murga. Murga means cock. Hen and cock, you all know na, you have seen. Early morning, cock will say kukuruku. So means people got to know it's morning. Murga. Murga means cock. Jamhai. Yawning. When you will feel sleepy, what will happen? You will yawn. You will open your mouth. Okay. Bhukhad. Bhukhad means very hungry. A person who always asking for food. I am hungry. In Hindi we will say bhukhad. Chipaung. Chipaung means hide. Chipaung means hide. H-I-D-E. Aram. Aram means comfort. Aram means comfort. Okay. Rest. People are doing rest na. In Hindi we will say aram. Tastari. Tastari means plate. P-L-A-T-E. Plate. Plate means tastari. Talashi. Talashi means search. We are searching something na. That is known as a talashi. Corn. Corn means who. W-H-O. Who. Who means corn. Next we will go for question answer. ओके इस कहानी का मुख्य पात्र कौन है? हु इज़ द मेन एक्टर इन द स्टोरी? हु इज़ द मेन एक्टर इन द स्टोरी? सो इस कहानी का मुख्य पात्र कौन है? कोको। इस कहानी का मुख्य पात्र कोको एक बर्मी लड़का है। सो कोको इज अ बर्मी बॉय। ही इज द मेन कैरेक्टर इन दिस स्टोरी। इस कहानी का गौण पात्र कौन है? हु इज द सेकेंड एक्टर? ओके, हु इज द सेकेंड एक्टर इन दिस? हु इज द अदर एक्टर इन दिस स्टोरी? इस कहानी का गौण पात्र मिमी, नीनी, तिनसु, उबातुन हैं। सो अदर कैरेक्टर इन दिस स्टोरी इज मिमी, नीनी, तिनसु और उबातुन हैं। क्वेश्चन नंबर 3, कोको के माता पिता कहाँ गए थे? वेयर वाज कोको पेरेंट्स? वेयर कोको पेरेंट और वेयर कोको पेरेंट्स? कोको के माता पिता धान लगाने गए थे। कोको पेरेंट्स वेयर ऑन पैडी फील्ड्स। ओके, दे वेंट टू पैडी फील्ड्स। धान लगाने गए थे। कोको की माँ ने क्या नाश्ता बनाया था? व्हाट ब्रेकफास्ट कोको मदर हैज प्रिपेयर्ड? आंसर विल बी कोको की माँ ने चावल की रोटियां बनाई थीं। कोको मदर हैड प्रिपेयर्ड राइस रोटीज। ओके, rice flour rotis or rice chapati she has prepared. Okay children, so this is a small drama we have read. Okay, चावल की रोटियां I have read and I have translated for you, and small like a summary story I tell you. After that we have read word meaning and question answer. So see the video and try to do reading. It's a very good story about the kids. Then write your homework neat and clean. Thank you children. Have a good day.